Hold on. That term that people use coming from work, so when I come off my sleeve, you know. Yeah. I see it as just a casual response to look at the term used.
Windows.
Yeah. Thank you. I don't.
Right, but them kind of thing that when people go and walk around and coming from work where you go to go work, and you see I come up as slave, so it's put the mindset. That's why this guy come attack them kind of way. Yeah.
No. This guy is just simply. I don't want to use the word ignorant. I don't understand.
Yeah, ignorant in a way. That's what I'm saying.
Hold on. You have a lot of people. You say. You have a lot of people. Have a little thought, and they don't know how to explain it, and they use some term that they don't know what they're doing. And I really thank Brad this morning because I was so eloquent able to relate it to him, and I really thank Brad this morning because she stepped in at the right time, you know, because we don't need, because my policy
need to stop now.
My policy is in Jamaica today. One of the party that came here and tried something was Bruce Golding with the NDM. That the furthest that ever reach, you know. I never reach nowhere. Right now we have two political parties in Jamaica. If we're gonna effect a change in Jamaica, we have to use one of them.
Yes.
And if you come in with something new, you have to come damn good. You have to come with some sense of resoluteness. We make sense and can convince the massive over what these two are doing right now.
There is two.
What I hear the people that are the party presenting right now, it is saying to Jamaica and the world that in a crisis like this, we need unity. We need to speak one voice. That is what I hear the PNP saying, you know. What I hear the JLP saying is that they're gonna stay on their side and do their own thing. That's how you hear them saying. And I am consciously accepting the view that is expressed by the PNP right now as a correct way path going forward. I believe in any crisis situation, when you have all the persons who are involved with the crisis, or involved in the situation, come together and speak with one voice. That's the absolute and most efficient way I can think of right now in my limited understanding of what is happening around me.
But you see, if a man says, because in my sense and know me, if a man says, instead of saying slave, because you see, the church and politics was created to separate the people.
Seabreeze. No, let us. Hold
on. Let's listen to me if you're big man. Hold on. I understand what you said, but that's what I'm sure you say. It's not going to create this.
No, this is something very important. When we come somebody like a Pratt come up here and explain what she did so far, we don't need any more dressing up.
You see, what Brad explained, it's got nothing to do with we the people today, right? What Brad, may understand what Brad explained. But what we don't understand, what we are living, hold on, man.
Nothing to do with we the people.
Well, what she read. Hold on. What I'm saying to you, and we don't want to talk, but we have to use it.
I don't feel like you have to troll apart.
No. What I'm saying to you, bro. Hold on, man. Hold on. Please, hear me out. Daniel, because if you're going to write a letter, you're going to write a letter to suit yourself. Right? And you're going to write a letter to make you yourself.
Seabreeze.
Hold on.
I'm urging you to leave it alone.
Virgin, everybody, let me tell you something. Let me say this, I'm going to say this, right? It's not all of us. Somebody can come and take you down the road and you walk peacefully and the next person will not. What I'm saying to you here, if you write in a letter, you're going to write it good about yourself. The best you can about yourself.
And what's the point you're making?
And this is where we are today.
Hold on. With that analogy.
Anything what we talk about today, none of us wasn't there. None of us wasn't present. That's what I'm saying to you. That's where I'm telling you.
Seabreeze.
So I'm agreeing. I disagree. Let's listen to me, please.
Stop, Seabreeze. Stop.
What do you mean stop?
We didn't have to be there. We didn't have to be there.
So how you going to prove says it's facts and you was never to be there, so you are surrendering to something where okay, that's the truth.
See, Breeze, the foundation that are made in the past is for us to build on. Please
yes,
stop.
And we
stop,
can build on
stop,
it, but I'm saying
stop,
to you still wasn't there.
Stop.
And I wasn't there, so I'm talking now with me what they are so now.
Listen, see, Breeze. Stop talking, listen. I beg you. Stop talking.
I prefer don't listen, because if you want me to tap and talk and listen to me like and you alone when born in this world and you alone can have a decision to say, well, you know, say, this is how Mrs. certain things. A man can see how things are different way from how you see it. That's what I'm saying.
No, straight for the top.
I'm not saying I'm not following the leader, but I still wasn't there. So how me go and say everything is good all about him? I don't understand what I don't understand enough people sometimes when a man want to talk, brother. It's the same thing you tell me say maybe you tell me say God write the Bible then to it, don't you? You be saying, Graham?
No, what I would tell you is that God said we should occupy till him come. That's what I would tell you.
And you was there when God said that?
What I would tell you, God said we should occupy.
And I'm asking you, God, you was the one God said that.
Today.
We want to bring to the people as well.
Sometimes you want to talk, you know, because I come here, I couldn't know and people to talk to, you know, but that's people can listen to everybody and see if what people say makes sense, bro. As me know say, me grew up in this world and a lot of things. Because when I talk about these things, these two things, even the party now we are talking about, it was created to separate us. So what we going to do? To remove these things, what these people create and leave, what we are suffering from. So what we got to do? So you ever talk like you ever say no, if me tell us that these people creating from white supreme Babylon to make we separate yourself forever and forever and forever. So what we going to do to change this pattern?
No two parties never created for separate.
Virgin, no, we never create this thing. We come see these things is a situation of white supreme Babylon.
Just like where you
the church was there. The church was there. Well, you're not I wouldn't say slavery, but the church was there, and these entities,
yeah, but Seabreeze,
right? These two Babylons, when them set up. So when Babylon set up certain things and set up certain and leave it and gone, and them gone and what we gonna do?
Wait, so what you have to see? What's the point? What's the point you're saying? Because we need for talk. What's the point?
I don't know, because I miss up all the point when I start from, I just drop in everything because we are going with certain things like how we create them.
No, the notion Seabreeze we are talking about, the two parties created to separate. That is a notion where somebody tell you. Right?
What do you mean somebody tell me?
What is
the biggest problem? What is the biggest problem?
I'm going to use back your line of argument with you. Were you there when the People's National Party formed in 1930 something?
Well, when the National Party formed?
Yes, when the People's National Party formed 1938. Was you there?
No.
Alright, so when the People's National Party formed, did you know the philosophy it formed off of?
I didn't form to govern the people. These two parties.
No, the party
wherever we didn't form, I went them form. Are they formed to govern the people?
That's what I'm sure. So then
hold on, because I have something we want to talk about. I'm not sure if anyone will see it.
That's why you see these things come to be divided than this thing, because the people have to set the people against each other. So what to do? I need to break these barriers.
Hold on.
We can break down.
Hold on, Seabreeze, my brother. There's an article that was posted about some oily substance washing up a show in Florida. Anybody hear about it? And what is it?
It's not confirm it. Confirmation we need confirmation. Clarity to say yes. Them do some, not to do anything.
Where? Me not hear about that. Me not hear anything about that. Where is that?
I see the Gleaner. I think the Gleaner has posted it. Yeah. Okay. So I guess they're going to test whatever it is to see what kind of substance it is. I don't know.
Where in Clarendon?
I don't remember the exact community or the side of the shore, but yeah, they
me no hear anything. I don't. I turned on my laptop for the first time this morning and said anything. We don't hear anything.
Somebody say it's oil. I don't know. It did say oily substance, but
wonder if as a result of the severe turbulence and the ocean from the other day in this side of the Caribbean, if anything out there would have just blown loosely across.
It say Farquhar Beach in Clarendon.
And if it's just seen on the beach, that could be coming from elsewhere. Remember that what the sea does is to push off its thing, push off its thing.
And they launch an investigation into the incident.
Prestige Designs, he saw it. I say he saw it. It depends on what, who in the cleaner, who in the who made the revelation? Is it the NEPA
the
people?
resident who notified.
Oh, okay, so the authorities don't rule on it yet.
Yeah.
Okay, so we wait until the authorities rule on it.
Well, people need to also remember that Jamaica have bunker loading,
Okay.
So we have bunker loading out there.
What you call bunker load against?
That's what they used to load the ship, island the ship.
Oh, so in oiling, in loading the oil, the spill can take place.
Yeah.
And that would and then the ocean being what it is, push off things off of it.
Okay.
We can wait until the authorities rule on it.
Oh, okay.
It could be the case.
Yeah.
As long as it's there, people are going to see it, and you're going to see more video of it. And let me tell you, if we start to see that, we know exactly what. Yo, journalist, sometimes it's better just go and keep silent and sit there.
You feel it's the oil rig where the oil exploration.
I say nothing, because
we actually find the oil now.
The jam, you know.
You feel we actually find the oil now. We actually find the oil now.
No, I'm not talking.
They put in the bulbs.
I'm going to keep silent for now.
They put in the bulbs. They put in the bulbs together.
God not sleeping. No matter what we think we do as man, God not sleep.
But if you look on it, it's the projection where they are there with, right there in St. Elizabeth. Where them, right?
A serious thing this in a foot and a joke thing this in a. A serious thing this in a foot. If people see the island come up on the water, you're going to hear all different type of things and say, one barrel empty out in the sea. Wait, you're going to hear all different things.
No, but what I'm saying, what I'm saying is that if you look on where them are planned for do with St. Elizabeth, right, and down that side, them are do the oil exploration. That's the reason why the people want to get rid of the bread basket, because them a figure say, the money where them are going to make off of the oil, right? It will them can buy back food from foreign to feed the people.
Hold on, the people them want to get rid of the bed basket, they move.
So now they say them are going to build a smart city.
Leave it, leave it. I'm going to want explanation. Don't say no.
Of course, no explanation.
Don't say no. Leave it.
Because it's the smart city. The smart city don't have to exclude the bread basket. That minute see.
He's gonna incorporate the bread basket.
You know what?
The smart city is gonna incorporate the bread basket.
Of course. Of course.
Let me say
nothing wrong with that.
Let me say something. The house meet at 5 today. Remember, all the elected members. You have Comrade Ingram, Extreme. I don't know if Seabreeze is joined.
Yes, we meet at 5. Yes, definitely.
We have Clear and we have Excellent. And
yes, I remember.
That member is suspended, House Leader.
Huh?
That member is suspended.
Okay.
Which member? Which member is suspended?
The member with the blue background with the eagle soaring eye. I hope he's here, listening in the chat.
But it's hold on. But somebody, hold on. So it has been confirmed now that it's not a drunk, it's an eagle.
Yeah.
Because I leave it, I didn't question it, but if I'm hearing that now,
It
so
says
somebody
always
say,
an eagle, and we just a pull around.
okay, it's always an eagle.
Drunk
Oh.
on a
Daniel,
Friday.
you can check if you send your friend request yet, you know. You can
Drunk on a
check
short
if you send your request yet.
Anyway, listen, what we do now, remember when the house needs all protocol observed and we're in order.
Yes, I just realized. But I did mention
at least one
about
time per live for the day, the chamber have to meet, and then we'll go and separate.
Okay. But as I mentioned the house just now, I want to raise a point here though. I hear a little sense of tolerance was going on